Imagine your day starting like this. Sunrise. You let the world slowly wake up as you enjoy a sunrise surf session. You finish a surf, immediately walk across the road and grab a coffee from Sundays. And then walk home with the breeze still on your skin. Steps from the beach, 760 South Lumina. A rare chance to live in one of the most exclusive pockets of Wrightsville Beach. Picture coming home, dropping off your board, rinsing off in your outdoor shower, and stepping into your own private pool courtyard. Then you walk upstairs, morning coffee in hand, greeted by the incredible, soft, quiet light of the morning. And you step out into your front balcony, and the world widens. You hear the waves rolling in, eating your breakfast, enjoying your coffee with an impossibly serene view. Sink into the couch, turn on the TV, and the whole room just holds you. Light drifting in, the ocean somewhere in the background, and this quiet sense that you could spend hours here without a single worry. It's the kind of place where you can finally exhale. Steam fades in the master shower, and the world feels calm again. A moment later, you're by the bookshelf, settling into a quiet corner with a view of the ocean. It's simple, peaceful, and somehow exactly where you want to be. You turn on the burner and start cooking. It just feels easy in here. Open a bottle of your favorite wine, pour a glass, and let the evening begin. Then you take a seat at the table, look out at the ocean, and it hits you just how good life feels in a moment like this. You round out the day in the hot tub, letting the warm water take the last bit of tension out of your shoulders, and then you take a dip into the pool and dive under, feeling the rest of the day wash off of you. Floating here in your own private oasis, everything feels light and quiet. It's one of those moments where you just don't want the day to end. And floating there at the end of the day, it all starts to feel unreal, almost like your whole life could be one long, perfect dream. Hello? Yes, you're on your way? Perfect. You guys are going to love 760 South Lumina. This place is a dream.